I'm very, very good at starting projects and not good at all at finishing them. I'm gonna share my craft bag of shame with you today. These are socks, see the little heel? I started knitting these. I did not finish them. And this masterpiece was gonna be a baby blanket for my grandson, Baby Cash. And I started knitting this before Baby Cash was born, and Baby Cash turned 3 last week. So yeah, by the time I get this finished, it's probably not gonna work for Baby Cash. So I really have no business buying any more crafts, but I did. This is a Learn to Embroider kit, and it is by a company called Clever Poppy. This is a sampler that is gonna teach me all these different stitches. What I really wanna do is embroider on my t-shirts or even on my jeans. I'm seeing all these like cute things at the store that have like, you know, a little bumblebee or a little flower embroidered, and I'm like, I can do that, but I don't know how to do that, so I have to learn how to do that. So I'm gonna start on this kit and learn all the stitches, and then if all goes well and I finish this and I learn the stitches, I'm gonna use these little transfers and try it on a t-shirt, which is really what I wanna do. You guys need to hold me accountable, so you need to check in with me from time to time and ask me how that embroidery is going, and I will post some updates in my stories.